Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Study You Education. Hit the like and subscribe button, press the bell icon. You can also follow me on Instagram for more update. So let's start the video. Current Affairs Part 4. The first question is Rohtang Pass, which is in the news recently, is located in which state? Here are the options. The answer is Himachal Pradesh. See, when you go from Manali to Leh, you will find two passes. One is Baralachla Pass and second is Rohtang Pass. And in this route, there is one very unique type of railway station named Keelong Railway Station you will find. And it is the only railway station in India which is inside a tunnel, the entire railway station. Also remember, in Manali, you will find a very famous temple, that is Hidimba Temple. And Hidimba is related to Mahabharata, the wife of Bhim. And so Himachal Pradesh, the state animal is snow leopard. And also remember, there is 32 wildlife sanctuary in Himachal Pradesh. And it has two capital, as we already know, that is Simla in summertime and Dharamsala in winter's time, just because of heavy snowfall during winter in Simla. And administrative work done from Dharamsala. So it has two capital. And chief minister is Jairam Thakur. So remember few information related to Himachal Pradesh. Coming back to the next question, which among the following platform has launched a new initiative, access to COVID-19 tool accelerator? And we have different option, and the answer is G20. And G20 is hosted this year by Saudi Arabia, and next year 2021 by Italy, and in 2022 it will be hosted in India. So G20 is the answer. And talking about SAARC nation, I already talked about in previous a few videos, that is SAARC is South Asia Association of Regional Cooperation, and it is a group of 8 countries, 8 member countries. So, and the headquarter is in Kathmandu, Nepal, and the recent head of SAARC nation is, or SAARC is Isala Verakum, who is from Sri Lanka. And talking about BRICS, you can spell through these words only: B for Brazil, R for Russia, I for India, C for, as we already know, China, and S for South Africa. And recently South Africa joined BRICS nation, and they generally focus on economic, political and cooperative organization, these countries, BRICS nation. And in 2020, BRICS hosted by Russia, and headquarter is in Shanghai, that is China. And G20, the headquarter of G20 is Cancun, that is Mexico. So these are the few points you can learn from these options. So coming back to the next question, which country has lost the hosting rights of the Men's World Boxing Championship 2021? So these are the options, and India lost the rights of men's boxing, hosting rights of Men's Boxing World Championship 2021. There are few reasons behind it, and it is going to host in Serbia. So why India lost? Because New Delhi did not fulfill its obligation to pay host fee, first of all, and it is also mentioned in host city agreement according to the AIBA, that is the International Boxing Association, which is headquartered in Lausanne, that is Switzerland. Headquarter is in Lausanne, Switzerland. And now in this year 2021, Serbia is going to host World Boxing Championship, and the capital is Belgrade. And also remember, capital of Canada is Ottawa. Here the option is capital of Canada is Ottawa. China, the capital is Beijing, and Serbia, the capital is Belgrade. So these are the few. And also about Serbia, that a very famous tennis player, Novak Djokovic, he just recently won Australian Open 2020. Novak Djokovic, a very famous player from Australia, and he recently won Australian Open 2020, that is tennis. So coming back to the next question, a unique vehicle named Sanjeevani has developed by which state? And it is developed by Madhya Pradesh, and these are being produced at Chhatarpur district of Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh also launched a mobile app called Top Parent, and also I talked about Jeevan Shakti in previous videos. That is, there are two schemes, Jeevan Shakti and Jeevan Amrit are two schemes started by Madhya Pradesh government. And also similar name, that is Operation Sanjeevani, is started by Indian military to provide medicine to Maldives. So these are the few points related to it. And Madhya Pradesh capital is Bhopal. And also remember, there is 6 tiger reserve in Madhya Pradesh and 10 national park. And more than 20% of India's tiger reside here in Madhya Pradesh, also called Tiger State of India. Madhya Pradesh is called Tiger State of India. For example, Pench Tiger Reserve, which is a very famous in Madhya Pradesh. So these are the few points related to it. So Madhya Pradesh will be the answer. Coming back to the next question, which state has launched a mobile app CMAPP? This is recently launched in during the COVID-19 situation, and comprehensive monitoring of agriculture price and procurement. Uh, the answer is Andhra Pradesh. This mobile app has been launched by government of Andhra Pradesh. And remember, in Andhra Pradesh, a new airport is set up in Bhoapuram area, and Papikonda National Park, Rajiv Gandhi National Park, and also Lord Venkateswara National Park is also the famous national park in Andhra Pradesh. Also, Nagarjun Sagar Sri Silam Tiger Reserve is also there. Nagarjun Sagar Sri Silam Tiger Reserve, and it is the largest tiger reserve in India. And remember that Andhra Pradesh has largest freshwater lake, and which is also called Kaleru Lake, named Kaleru Lake, which is also in Andhra Pradesh. So these are the few questions related to today's current affairs part 4. Hit the like and subscribe button. That's all about the day. Thank you, and God bless you all. You can also follow me on Instagram for more update.